Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Like previously we have done many of the projects related to CSS and I hope you all enjoy that and I hope you enjoy all my CSS projects till here which we have done. So today we will be also just making a CSS project and today project is about we will be just changing a layout of a form and I'll be showing you how to change the layout of a form in CSS and this video will be also really helpful for you. So don't miss any of the step of this video and see this video from start to end so you can learn everything about CSS and everything about this project which we are doing today. So previously we have also done some of the HTML CSS small projects like of 10 minutes. You can check that out also if you want to learn HTML and CSS. I have also uploaded a full tutorial of HTML and I have also uploaded the full tutorial of CSS. You can check that out because that is also having the things related to HTML and related to CSS and all one-to-one things I have telling you. Like if you are a beginner of HTML developer, so you will be just getting it to advanced and you will be a successful HTML developer if you check that full tutorial which I have telling you. And same is as CSS tutorial and there are many good feedbacks I am getting about that tutorials and I hope you are also enjoying that. So remember to check out that tutorials also and then check out these small projects which we are doing. So now I hope you understand these all things which I am telling you now. Just if you are new here and watching this video for the first time, so please hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is coding and what is programming, how to do coding, what are the coding languages and programming languages, because in this channel I will be now starting with coding languages and ending up with the programming languages, and these are some of the coding languages which I am telling you like HTML, CSS, but in the future we will be also covering up some of the programming language which will be really helpful for you. So now just we will be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a change, we will be just changing the layout of a form by using CSS only. We will be not using HTML here. So just I will be opening my Sublime text editor from my search box because we were using this text editor to work with our CSS, and when we are just building our small HTML CSS project, so we were also using this same text editor. So I will be opening Sublime text here, and when you have opened Sublime text, just you have to close this previous file which is open, but I will be using same file and I will be just giving it name as index.html and saving it on my desktop. So remember, if your file has been same with same name, so it will be overtaking that file. So remember to change the name, but I same file, but I don't need that. Because of that I am giving it same name and overtaking that file. So here I have overtake that file which I was having I was having on my desktop. Now you can see index.html file has been created, means my HTML file has been created. Now you don't have to create CSS file. We will be using style tag to create all our CSS tags which we want to create. So here now you have to go and write first of all the HTML starting tag like we write. Now we have written these all starting tag here. I will be just doing one thing. I will be going to my desktop and opening this index.html file on my browser. My browser is Opera browser, so it is my default browser. It will be opening my file on my Opera browser. If your default browser is Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, so it will be opening that file on that browsers. But I am having default browser of Opera browser, so I will be opening that here. Now you can see my browser has been opened. Now it is totally empty file. You can see there is nothing in my file. Here I will be just doing it half screen so I can just see the codes, and you can see now when we will be writing all the codes at the left side and then we will be getting the interface at the right side. Now we will be creating a form and changing the layout of that. Now here first of all you have to just give the title, means what you are making, or you can give any other title you want to give to remember. Just I will be getting layout form, I will be giving the title. Just press Ctrl S to save. Then you have to press reload, or you can say this refresh icon. Then I will be pressing this reload and you can see now our title has been changed and there it is written layout form. Now you have to go to this body tag. Here we have to just create some of the input tags in which we will be writing our names of our place of our inputs which we are writing. So here first of all you have to make a placeholder. Here you have to write name. Then when you've written this name, just save this and reload here. You can see the name format we are getting here. Now I will be doing one thing. I will be writing h1, not h1. I will be writing p tag here, and by writing this p tag I will be writing name. Now when you've written this, just you have to save here, and when you will be saving and reloading that, you can see we are getting name here, and I will be writing semicolon, so I can just say that this is the name where you have to write the name. Now just you have to copy this input which we have written, and I will be just pasting that underneath this. You can see I've pasted that, you can say 4 times I have pasted. So here I will be now changing the name, and here I will be now writing password, and then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing email, then move down, and here you have to write phone number. So you can write phone anno, which is a short form of that. Then move down again, here you can write message. Now when you're done with that, just you have to save here and reload. You can see we are getting all the inputs like we want, and it is looking awesome. You can see now we will be doing one thing. We will be taking this input in center, so we will be getting it in center, or you can take it down by using br tag. So we will be using br tag here, and now here I will be copying this br tag which we have copied and pasting that, and just save that and reload here. You can see now it is down like we want. Here I will be doing one thing. If you want that it should be aligned and looking good, so I can also do that. So you have to do that. Here you have to just go to your style tag, make a style tag in your body, and here when you have made this style tag, just erase this type text css which is just written here. Move down. Here I will be making it clean code, so I will be taking it down. Then when it is down, just you have to do one thing here. Just make a tag first of all. Here I will be moving, then I will be writing first of all font family, means what font family I want of my text. So it should be open sans, so I will be putting open sans here, and then I will be writing comma sans serif. Now when you've put that, just you have to move down, save that, and then you have to reload here. You can see now our font family has been changed into open sans. Now you can take it center if you want to do it in center of your page. You can write text align center to take it center of your page, save here and reload. You can see now it is center aligned here. And now when you've done that, just you have to do one thing. Just move here, write p tag. Okay, so here I will be writing p tag, write text align and write left, save here and reload here. Now you can see it is at the left and our inputs are here at the right side, and you can see it is now looking good here. And when it is just like that, here you have to just do one thing. You have to press backspace here and then save it and reload here, and just nothing happens. So here I will be now doing save and then reloading. So you can see we are getting our inputs and then this at the left side. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be taking this thing also in center. So when you've done that, just save here, and now we are getting this also in center. If we refresh, you can see it is also in center. So like that you can manage these all things. Now I will be moving down and designing my input which we have written. So here when you've done that, just you have to do one thing. First of all, here you have to write padding of your input which you want. So you can take it to 13 pixels, save here and reload. You can see 13 pixel is too large, so I can do that to 5, save and reload. You can see now it is good. And now here you can just do one thing. If I move at the top, so you can see in placeholder it is written name and everywhere name, but I want here should be password. Then here it should be written email. Then here I will be writing phone number, so I will be writing phone anno, which is a short form. Then I will be moving down, and here I will be writing message. Now when you've done that, just I will be saving this and then reload that. You can see we are just getting, I will be raising dot from here, save again, and now you can see we are just getting that, reload again. You can see we are just getting this, and now we will be changing the layout of our form by making a heading at the top. So for making the heading, just move at the top of body tag, make h1 here, and then write the heading of like layout form and save here. Now when you save that, just reload here. You can see now we are just getting the heading. Now if you want to put background image, you can put that, it's your choice. And here I will be just going down. Then you can just go to browser and then search about images, or you can write scenery images or background images, it's your choice. Move here, then you have to just move down, and when you have moved down, just you can take any image you want to take. So if I take this one, like, no, this one is not good. If I scroll down here, so you will be getting many other images you want to take, or you can go to any website to take images. But in Google, I think there are good images, so you can take from here. So if I just scroll down, so like that, this one image I just like this. So here I will be saving this image by pressing save image as, giving it the name of background.jpg, save it on desktop. Now here when you've saved that, just it is in this is in different format, so we have to give the name in different format. It is in JFIF format, so here I will be writing first of all background image, and here I will be just writing URL, and then I will be writing background. So here I will be now writing background dot JFIF, which is my image format. Save here and reload. We are getting our image now. Here my image format is JFIF, so because of that I have written that. But if your image format is JPEG, so you can write JPEG, or PDF, you can write PDF, or if it is in GIF, so you can write GIF. Now here I will be writing background attachment, which should be fixed of my image. So here I will be writing that. Then I will be writing background size should be cover, and here when you've done that, just write background repeat, which should be no repeat, because I don't want my image should be repeating again and again. So here I will be writing no repeat. Save here, reload here. Now you can see we are getting our image, and we are also getting our input box. You can see how good looking is that. You can change its color if you want to change. Here you can change it to white. If I come over here and change the color here and change it to white, save and reload. You can see all the things are in white, and if you want to change border in any other color, you can do that. Just move here, then you can just write here border 1 pixel solid white. So save here and reload here, and you can see it is also in white. So like that you can work with, and I hope you understand how to build this layout form. So it is simple form which we have built with some of the input we have put. So this was the simple layout form which we have just built. So I hope you understand how to build this simple layout form in HTML in CSS. So I hope you understand this video, and I hope you enjoy this video also. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn. And also just check out my previous video which I have uploaded of HTML and CSS, because that are also really helpful for beginners. If you want to become full stack developer, or you can say full stack coder of HTML and CSS, so learn that videos and check that out videos, and just check that all videos from start to end, and just share that videos also, so like you all people can understand and learn these things which I am telling. So just now I will be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.